In this video, we're going to be discussing how to convert from percent to decimal and decimal to percent. Converting from decimal to percent is actually very simple. Let's say you have a decimal, 0.64. When you want to convert from a decimal to percent, all you have to do is multiply that by 100. And when you multiply something by 100, you're really just moving the decimal point 2 times to the right. So you'll end up with 64%. Let's say you wanted to convert from 94% to a decimal. Well, all you do is pretend there's a decimal here and move it 2 times to the left. And you'll end up with 0.94. If you don't like the decimal thing, this little trick, just put it into your calculator. To convert from a decimal to percent, multiply. To convert from a percent to a decimal, divide by 100. If you can remember these simple tricks, you can also convert from a fraction to a percent. Let's say we had 3/5. If I plug this into my calculator to convert into a decimal, I'll get 0.6. And then I want to convert to a percentage, so I multiply. So I either multiply it by 100 and plug that into my calculator, I'll get 60. And I write the percent sign here on the side. Or I just count. I move the decimal 1 point and then 2 points. I'll end up with a 0. I'll end up with 0.60, which I erase this 0. I end up with 60, and I write down my percent sign.